Hi, I'm going to talk about another tool or strategy that I'm going to be using in my math classroom, the Samrt Board. I have a video that will help me explain why I'm choosing the Samrt Board.
In the spirit of review from yesterday's anger, a lot of people did this. They did the one across from them.
See, I don't know if you can see it. You can use a Samrt Board to show attachments from your email, like the SAT math problem of the day. That's one other thing.
All right, is that how you did it? What is that called? What's the vocab word for what those two angles are that makes the one across from them? We're going to write down some notes.
Again, with being environmentally friendly, you can take a digital copy of the page that you're doing up here. You can make a copy of that, and you can upload it, download it, whatever, to a site, or use it, put it right into folders for your students, which is nice. Again, no paper, which is good. Another one, increased legibility without dust or fumes. Yes. Chalk dust and all that? Yeah. Yeah, make transitions swiftly. Go from one thing to another. And you can have a bunch of different pages like you can on your computer open at the same time.
The line graph above shows the average daily use of electricity in kilowatt hours by a family for each month of the year, starting in July. For how many months of the year was the family's average daily use of electricity less than 20 kilowatt hours? This right here is a line graph, and this is 20 right here, and there's 1, 2, 3 dots under it. So the answer is 3.
Okay. Get students involved, bring them up to the board. They can show everybody else. So as they're learning, so is everybody else.
2. I'll tell you, behind door number 1, you didn't get the chance to win Mr. Frog.
Show games or models to teach concepts like probability.
So switch.
You know,
you picked number 2 originally.
I just think it's a very good, tool to use.
2, you could have had Bill. Who was behind door number 3? Oh, there's the card. You want. If you think about it, it's going to kind of look like a sine wave that just disappears. It's going to go like this, and then maybe back up, and then. So this right here, this X, if you set it up this way, is the number of periods of time. So the number of 70-minute periods. So what this is saying is you're going to have to go through just over 6.5 70-minute periods to make this thing decay to half of it.
Okay, as you can see, you can have multiple things open at the same time. He's got the calculator thing going over here. He's got some paperwork or some schoolwork, classwork going on over here. And I'm not exactly sure what all of this is here. But you can have multiple pages open at the same time with the Samrt Board, and everyone can see it. So it's not like you have to, wait, hang on, let me go get this and show you, and let me go get this and show you. It's all right there in front of the classroom, big enough where everyone can see it.
Yeah. We could start a table like this, and we could say, he makes 0, he makes 1, or he makes 2.
Okay, also like he says, write over existing graphics. You're going to write right on there. The information is on the board. If you want to add anything to it, all you have to do is write it up there.
Ignore that, that's from behind that, right?
Okay. If you have a problem with your Samrt Board, obviously, you're going to go to your computer or your laptop and you're going to fix it. But that's just one reason, other than having problems. I like the Samrt Board because it's in front of the classroom. Everybody can see it. It's big enough. It's interactive. It has colors you can use with it. You can erase with your hand. You don't have the chalk. You don't have the dry erase smell, all that kind of stuff. I just think the whole thing with a smart board is really a lot better than the old chalkboard and chalk and erasers.